Good evening once more. So the video we done last night was Traffic Panther. So I've now purchased this system, which I'm quite impressed by, to be honest. So if we uh, head over to Traffic Panther, we just log in to the account as so, and this is the back office. So I just expected to put in the rotator, and that was it. But it has quite a lot of it does a good explanation video of how to do it, which is simple, but it has a lot of good masterminds, a lot of great training as well. Swipe files, which is email files, and at the start there's a lot of offers, so you can tap into unlimited traffic on the rotator. But this is how you set it up. You go to VIP traffic, and then it's telling you here the clicks. It obviously has he's selling a lot of traffic. I've actually done it earlier. We had an issue with the sound, a kind of technical thing. But this is how, I'm not going to add it now because what it says here, active links 1 of 3, which I didn't actually realise. So just read this: add your own links, your link rotates for 30 days. Basic members can keep 3 active links. Unlimited links, not just 3. So at the start he's pitching on some of the upgrades unlimited, so you get 3, which I didn't know. In fairness, I can actually do an explanation video, so we'll do another one. What I'm going to do is promote Udemy traffic. So we'll just call it this. This is just for our own benefits. This is going really simple. This one, that one there's got a landing page where you should always really have to, so you get your email list. It grows. So I've created that link earlier. So we call it something, and when we have the automation rules, that's how I kind of set it up for that one, so they get the email follow-up series. So if we go to Udemy, so here I've got my link here, so I can just copy as so, and then it's just really copy and paste, and then we'll add that one to rotator as well. So it's a pleasant surprise, there's 3. So here's what I'll probably just use the same link. There's no point creating a new one. So if we come to Traffic Panther, it's just a case of adding it in, and you'll just call this Moss number 2, and then paste it in again, and then add to the rotator. Oh, so apparently I'll need to create a new one. So how I actually do this for the autoresponder, use, just duplicate it, and then put 2 easy clicks. Again, it's in capitals. I don't think it, oh, I can't do that. Easy clicks again, and see if it saves it, and it does. So how we set this up so they get added to my email follow-up series, I do this, it's that system, and it's that link, and then subscribe to campaigns. When they subscribe, they get my email follow-up series, which is that one. Save the rule, And then if we just check it's working okay. With the Udemy one, I don't have a landing page, but I can get good clicks all the same. So that's added to it just by putting in an email address. So if we go to stats, there is one click, and that's it done. So this man's traffic, there's quite a lot of clicks going out. She's got, in fact, that's even the wrong thread. So much stuff that's opened. 2 seconds. Oh, yep. So here we are. Again, so it's Moss 2, and then we'll come over here again, rotator, and then just copy this in and copy and paste. Yep, so that's it. You've reached the basic plan limit, so upgrade to all in, and then it's basically $47 for that one. And it's basically as many links as you've got. So I've not tapped into that yet, but it seems quite a good one as well. So that's how, once you've purchased, how you get traffic through Traffic Panther. So the next couple of days, the next video will be my results. So if you want this easy traffic, really, purchase in the link, and we'll see you there.